What is up, guys? Today I want to explain to you what are the methods available to unlock the Ninebot E2 Pro in 2026. So today is May 2026, so almost the middle of 2026. Let's find out what are the methods available. So actually, as for now, only two methods are available. All of them require some hardware changes. Of course, the software unfortunately is not available for E2 Pro, so you cannot just download the app. For example, I have two apps that I unlocked: other scooter hacking utility at Xiao Dash. It's actually not just searching MSC F2, F3, but it's not finding the scooter. Of course, this app can find the Xiao Dash app, but using this app, what you can do is just some basic changes, basic settings, like tailing always on, cruise control, miles mode, scooter lock, so only basic settings. But if you want to unlock it, you need anyway hardware replacement. So actually the controller, it's located on the back side of the scooter, so it's located here. You need to dismantle it, put it off, and buy the new one. I will leave in the description below all the guidance how to unlock the scooter right now in 2026. Actually, that's one of the options. You just buy a controller from AliExpress, then you replace this controller here. So I will show you example of the controller. So as an example, E2 Pro here. I will leave link in the description below to this controller. So as you see, in a sport mode, it can go up to 32 km/h. I already tested out. I drive around on this scooter and actually it's working, but the only thing that is the battery should be 100% charged. So if the battery is less than 60-70%, it will not go 32, it can go 28, 25, not more. So if you have German version, D version, that's actually only one option to do it. So finally we'll have stable 25 km/h compared to 20 km/h in Germany. For Europe version, other countries, you are able to reach up to 32 km/h. That's one option. The second option is ST-Link, so it's some small device, but this really requires some knowledge. So you need to dismantle your scooter, use your controller, connect to this ST-Link device. Also, ST-Link link I will leave in the description below. It costs around maybe $5. Then you flash it, but you need to have some technical abilities to flash it and put it back. So you change the serial number to international one and you can be again unlocked to 32 km/h. So there are only two methods available in 2026. No software, unfortunately, as for now. In case it will be available, definitely I will make some new video. And all the links you can find in the description below. Put a thumbs up and see you next time.